Mentoring TV, KUCCPS application. Guide. Hello guys, welcome to Mentoring TV. In today's video, we're going to learn how to apply for courses through KUCCPS, the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service. If you're planning to join a university or college as a government-sponsored student, this is your chance to get started. Accessing the KUCCPS portal, open your search engine and type KUCCPS. Click on the KUCCPS homepage, or go straight to Student Login. The KUCCPS Student Login page will open. Here's what you need to enter. KCSE index number, KCSE year, the year you sat for your KCSE password, preferably your KCPE index number if you don't have it. You can use your birth certificate number after entering your details. Click Login to your dashboard overview. Once logged in, the portal will display your name, your school, your KCSE index number, any ongoing applications. For example, KUCCPS is currently partnering with Kenya Utalii College for hospitality courses, and the deadline is April 1st. If you're interested, you can apply through KUCCPS 3. Searching for courses or institutions at the top menu, you'll see Dashboard Institutions Programs. You can search by institution if you already know where you want to study, or search by program if you know the course you want. After searching, a list will appear showing institution type, program, code, program, name, cluster points. If you find a course you like, click Add under the basket column. This helps you gather all your preferred courses in one place. Reviewing your basket, open your basket to check whether you meet the minimum requirements for each course, which courses you are eligible to apply for now. Arrange your choices in order of preference. For example, Eldoret, Kisumu, Nairobi take the program code. For example, 49-75K2 for diploma in pharmacy at KMTC, Mombasa, enlisted according to your priority. Making your application click. On application, revision. Read the instructions carefully. You will need your preferred course codes, a payment of KS 1500. Click Apply. Now, depending on your KCSE grade, you will see whether you qualify for certificate, diploma, degree programs. Enter the program codes in the correct column. Certificate or diploma. Depending on what you are applying for, the system will automatically display course name, campus. Whether you meet the requirements, once you finish listing your choices, click Submit 6. Payment process. KUCCPS will ask whether you want to be placed in another course if your preferred choices are full. Choose yes or no, then click Submit. Payment details will appear. Student name, application amount. KS 1500. Select Mpesa. Enter the phone number you want to use for payment. It does not have to be the student's number. Click Initiate Payment. A prompt will appear on your phone. Enter your Mpesa PIN. After receiving the Mpesa confirmation message, return to the portal and click I have. Paid, enter the eCitizen account number for that payment. Not the Mpesa transaction code, click Submit. 7, checking your active applications, a new section called Active Applications will appear on your dashboard here. You will see all the choices you applied for program. Codes course names institutions once. KUCCPS completes the placement process. Your results will appear under Current, Placement.Conclusion. And that is how you apply for courses through KUCCPS, the Kenya Universities and Colleges, Central Placement Service. Thank you so much for watching this video on Mentoring TV. Today, we learned how to apply for courses. Until next time, bye-bye.